Well, hello everyone. As you can see, I've acquired more of these. I'm excited to see which ones we get. One, because I want to show you how to make permanent your plant ones if you would like to. So if we get a plant, we will be saving at least one of them to do in a different video so that I can show you how to make them permanent so they won't be falling apart inside your dollhouse. And then also, I want to show you how to make the fish ones actually work, because the fish ones will not work with that sun resin. It's too much UV resin for one pour. So I will show you how to make those work properly without ruining the adorable kit, and I will show you what the fish looked like after a day or two. I look forward to unboxing these with you, and I will see you in a second. Well, hello friends, here's 6 more of these, and I probably didn't need them, but here we are. And I have lots of friends waiting for duplicates, so it's okay. I wanted to show you though. Now, because you don't actually glue any of this down before you pour all the resin into the bowl, the air wants to come up out of it repeatedly for days. So unless you were planning on leaving it to sit for many, many days, there is the potential for there to be gigantic big bubbles. So what I would like to do, because I would like to have a perfect fish, what I would like to do is if we do get a fish, I'm going to do a special second video, if we get an animal of any kind, and I will do a special second video to show us how to make it look its best. And then I will also make another video if we get more plants to show us how to permanentify them, like this one, where it is now been glued in place. There's a very easy way to do it that does not require a whole lot of effort. And that is what I did to all of the plants I've gotten so far. So all of those that we've done already have been permanentified. And so they can't be removed any longer, which I like because then I don't have to worry about them falling apart when I'm trying to arrange a house. All right, I'm gonna unwrap these all at once because I don't think we need to watch me do that again. Okay, sorry for the wiggles. It's because I'm standing near the table, and also my hands shake from Ehlers Danlos. So I will say that these are pretty brutal on my Ehlers Danlos very tired hands. I need dual reconstructions on my wrists, which in fairness, not a lot of people do, but these are pretty brutal to open. I suggest using a knife. Don't go picking away at it. Like, you will bust up if you have bad nails like I do. As you can see, they're very unhealthy and they're no good. So anyway, I also wanted to say, remember, if we get an animal, I won't be able to make it on this one because I want to make it so that it doesn't turn into the travesty we saw before. But I have our chart, where I have marked the ones that we have gotten so far on our quest, as well as the dupe. So let's see who we have. In the first one, we have, it looks like the candles again, so that's great. That's one we can do. This one is, we have a plant. Let us see which plant. It looks like there's a bowl again, but it maybe is a different plant. Nope, it's the same aloe. Bummer. Okay, so we've gotten 2 duplicates of the aloe, so we'll have to mark that on our chart. We're not going to redo that. We'll give that to a friend who would like to play with these. Number 3, another candle. Very good. Are you the same candle as this candle? New question. What does your wax look like? This one has lavender beeswax. What do you have? You have lavender beeswax. So that's 2 dupes out of these 6. And now we have, what are you? Okay, we have a medium pot. This is different. Okay, we have a different plant, so that's great. So this will go in another video where I show you guys how to permanentify your plants. So that is great. We haven't gotten that plant before. Love him. So we'll save that one. And number 5. Oh, good. We have another fish. Oh, it's a round tub. It's a round tub. We have to find out what fish we got at least. At very least, we'll see what fish we got. And then you'll know that one of my next videos will be how to make it perfect. Who did we get? Oh, we got a little beta fish. Oh, and he comes in a little tub. Just like a real beta fish. Oh, I hate taking them out of their original containers because they're so darn cute in there. Okay, so that's great news. That will be in our other how to do thing. And here is number 6. Let's see. Another plant, but that's okay. I don't think we've gotten this shape of plant before. And this plant is, oh, we don't? No, I don't think so. This must be, oh, I see it. Okay, so we don't have this plant either. So we have 2 plants we can permanentify. And we can mark these off. So we got yet another aloe. That is a bummer. That is the 3rd aloe. We got this tall cactus, which is actually not a cactus. That's a euphorbia milk tree. I would just like everybody to know that. Euphorbia milk tree, not a cactus. And we also got this hens and chicks, which it's not. It's an echeveria, but that's okay. We're going to let that ride. And then our betta fish has doesn't have that kind of bowl. He has a very round, oh, this one. We have the pink betta fish. Ta-da! I love it. And then we have Lavender Fields candles right here, and we got 2 of those, which is interesting to me because theoretically and mathematically speaking, those should be the least likely to get the most of because they are the least number of the packages. All right, well, let's at least check out the candle one, and I will save the other plants for another video. Okay, so let's unpack this new set of candles that we've never done before. So we have this Sunshine Candle Company, Be Bright, Be Bright. We have Lavender Beeswax. So beeswax this time. I think the other one was soy wax, maybe? We have a squirty lid for the top. And again, these make such pretty little things to just put around your dollhouse. You could make a whole, no wicks? Maybe the wicks are in there. Okay, and then this is, oh, this will be the little tray. Oh, very shiny. You can see yourself in my phone. Yes, I'm using a phone to film all of this. It's sad, I know. It's okay. More cute paper that you could absolutely reuse to like wrap this as a gift if your dolls wanted to give it as such. Very good. We have our tongs here. Okay, and then let us, I'm going to zoom you in just a little. I know it's bright, but let's have a rip. And inside we have, oh my god, no. What is that? Oh my god, no. Oh no, it's a sachet of tiny lavender spray. Oh no, I'm gonna faint. Oh, it's too cute. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh no, there's the wicks. No, it's too precious. I'm gonna faint. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, illegal. I don't, oh my god. Okay, no, I dropped something. Okay, here we go. So it looks like in with our box of candles, we should have lids for these little guys. Oh, the sprinkles go on top. Okay, so here's our recipe, which is, again, put backwards. So we're going to shove the wicks in there. We're going to put the goop in there, bake it with the flashlight, and then add sprinkles, and then bake it some more with a flashlight, and then snip off the wicks, and then put the lids on. All right, that we can do. That's basically the same as last time. Let's see if I can get this open without ripping it to shreds. It's a near thing for me usually. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, it's so cute. I just don't want to wreck it because all the packaging could be, oh my god, it's so cute. No. Illegal. Illegal preciousness. Oh no. Oh, it's so cute. And the little fluffies and the little lids. Do you come off? Yes, we come off. Great. So we have like a hobnail glass textured one that's very like 1960s, 1970s. And we have one with a striped texture. All right. Well, I hate ruining the wick boxes. I just want tiny wicks in boxes. But I'm going to speed up the actual making of this or we'll be here all day. Okay, well that's how they came out, which is freaking precious. I will say that if you saw towards the end there, I did one final tiny layer before putting the sprinkles in. Had I not done one tiny layer before putting the sprinkles in, they all would have sunk right to the bottom during the process of curing them. They are quite warm because it's an exothermic reaction. This is generally not the best way to use UV resin because it is meant to be like a covering on fingernails or really thin coatings on stuff. This is the thickest I would ever use UV resin. And even then, this is still squishy. Like I could jam a toothpick into it and the middle would not be cured. But, and also if you fill it up too much, you will not be able to fit your little lids on appropriately. However, we did okay. So, good for us, 1. These are absolutely adorable, 2. I really, really love doing these little sets. I do wish they gave you more detailed instructions, for instance, like telling you that the sprinkles will absolutely stink to the bottom if you don't cure the layers prior. Little things like that will make kids or people really disappointed. So hopefully that helps you in your endeavor, and you also think that this was as freaking cute as hell, because it is. I loved it. All right, I hope you come and see my other videos where I will teach you how to make your plants permanent, and also will teach you how to make your fish bowls and animal ones come out well, instead of a horrible bubble monster. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you in those videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!